Now we're heading to a cool, dark place, the root cellar. It's a natural, time-honored strategy for storing veggies like potatoes. Let's see how it's done. A root cellar is a storage space underground or partially underground. It's naturally cool and dark, perfect for storing vegetables. If you don't have a traditional root cellar, a basement or a cool, dark closet also works. You can use bins, baskets, or even cardboard boxes to store potatoes. Adding straw or sawdust helps keep them dry and prevents bruising. Just ensure good air circulation to avoid spoilage. Start by selecting firm, healthy potatoes. They should be free from bruises or blemishes. Gently brush off any dirt from the potatoes, but don't wash them. Moisture can lead to spoilage. Place your potatoes in your chosen storage option in the root cellar. This environment is ideal for preserving their freshness and longevity. Potatoes can last for months in a root cellar, often throughout the winter. Check your veggies regularly to remove any that start to spoil or sprout. Root cellaring is a fantastic way to store your harvest without electricity. It's natural, cost-effective, and keeps your veggies, especially potatoes, fresh for months. That's the beauty of root cellaring. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of preserving vegetables. We hope you found these methods helpful and easy to try at home. And if you've got some cool tips or questions, please drop a comment below. Your insights and experiences are what make this community awesome. If you liked this video, show us some love with a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fantastic content. Your support keeps these videos coming. Stay tuned for more delightful and practical guides on sustainable living. See you next time.